Welcome, welcome to Learn IT Programming YouTube channel. I would like to introduce myself. So I am Santosh Lohar and the creator of this channels. Basically, this is created only for providing free IT programming, coding, cybersecurity courses like networking courses, CCNA, CCNP, Windows based courses, Windows servers 2022, Linux based server, Red Hat, and programming languages like C, C++, Python language, etc. And web design development courses are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and its other relevant frameworks like bootsrap, nodjs, etc. And I would like to say that it will be created every playlist or every courses separately from where you all are able to access and learn your respective courses. At last, I would like to say everyone, please buy computer instead of buying costly cell phones. Thank you. Have a good day.